Hey guys and girls, it's me again. I'm going to talk about the Mayan, Atzec, Inca, Egyptian prophecy 2012. So, here's the question. Are we really going to die? Is the world really going to end? And am I going to die at 16 years old? The answer remains a mystery right now. We'd basically have to wait until 2012 to really find out what happens. So what is going to happen? Why is it happening? Well, as you guys probably don't know, the Mayans were excellent mathematicians and astronomers and astrologists. So they predicted a lot of things that will happen in the future. Like the meteor that crashed on Earth when the dinosaurs were living. Almost like, what, 2 billion years ago? Could be more. I can't remember. Well, how can I remember if I wasn't there? I mean to say, how should I know? So, how is it happening? Well, the answer is clearly simple, because I know the answer. Number 1, Scorpio and Capricorn are going to align together, which means they're going to do a little bit of a teamwork. And my zodiac sign, Leo, is going to give them energy that they need in order to create a 13th zodiac sign. Now, what does the 13th zodiac sign have to do with any of this, really? Well, what the 13th zodiac sign is a sign that's completely evil, probably the most powerful zodiac sign that's ever going to live. I am pretty much very disappointed because I had the most powerful zodiac sign, and now that 13th zodiac sign is going to take over my job. No, that's not going to happen. Either I'm going to rule it, or that 13th zodiac sign is not going to happen. So, how is it causing any effects to Earth 2012? Well, because of that 13th zodiac sign, there's going to be a polar shift, the opposite of global warming. Now, what's going to happen is that there is going to be numerous floods around the entire world, and it would mostly be caused in United States area, because that's usually where the ocean sits closest to. I live in Toronto, so I have no worries right now, but I could be worrying later on. So, how are we going to prevent this? We can't do anything. We can't hide. We can't defend ourselves. So what are we going to do? Pretty much nothing. Like I said earlier, which I think I said earlier, we're going to have to wait until 2012 to find out what happens. That's the only clear answer that I have right now. Also, when that happens later on, the sun will turn blue. Now, why is it going to turn blue? Why doesn't it just stay orangey yellow? Why is it turning blue? How is it turning blue? The answer is clearly simple. Because of the chemicals in space, it will cause the sun to turn blue. But of course you'd be wondering, why doesn't it just turn blue now? I don't know. I'm going to have to study up on that. So another thing before I go is that in 2029, scientists have detected that a meteor, another one, again, is headed towards Earth, moving at the speed of light. Now, when I first heard of that, I was like, Are they idiots or something? Why can't they just go over there and plant an atomic bomb and blow up the piece of shit? And then I'm thinking, no, wait, how can they do that now? Because the thing is moving at the speed of light. So even if they were to try to land on it, it could be moving so darn fast that, you know, they could go flying off or something. And another thing, even if they plant the bomb, it could just go float up, and then, well, what's gonna happen? Is it gonna blow up sometime later? Well, that's one solution that I have. They could just go over there, plant maybe 2, but I suggest 1. Depends how big it is though. But plant 2 of them, and maybe set it for, well, judging by them going over there, it's going to take a few years. So how long would it take them to come back to Earth? Because they're not moving at the speed of light, so basically they'd have to set it for at least a good hour. And then it'll blow up. So that's just basically it. So don't worry, guys. Just have fun as you are now, so don't worry about it. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be a video on why we dream and what do they mean. So yeah, guys, peace out, have fun.